So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another amazing quiz, that is Arcade Chatbot, which is a part of level 3 arcade game May June edition. So just click on Start Lab. Now if you want to enable this check my progress, check the description for it, and let's paste the app link on the new tab. Now basically we have to answer some quiz here. So once you answer some quiz, you will be done with the lab. So now first of all click on this quiz and just answer. So let's try to answer it yourself. So it will be, can you answer what it will be? It will be data flow. For real time we need data flow. So now let's question. So for here, can you guess what it will be? So it will be BigQuery and data flow. So now just go back to lab instruction and hit check my progress. So sometimes the check my progress take more time, so you need to just wait it. For more information you can check this channel, subscribe if you haven't, and just check the playlist on it. So let's wait. So finally we got the score and we are done with the lab, guys. Have a great